So I did over 200 mile an hour there. The worst thing is, right, now we're going to do a rolling race. This time manual mode of the gearbox. We're going to do it from about 30 miles an hour, see what happens. I'm basically putting no revs, second gear at 30, but here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, build boost. Build it now. I don't have to change gear, it does it automatically. Uh-oh! Oh no! Oh, I think the M4 beat me to the quarter mile. The half mile's an easy win. M4 actually won to the quarter mile. I mean, that really shifts, doesn't it?
This thing is so fast, it's ridiculous.
And what happened to you? I'm going to go into autobahn mode and second gear. And I'm going to roll on from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go. That's a quick gun. Now we're on.
Let's see what speed he comes past me. 130.
I'll have him to the quarter now. Look at this come past.
140.
Watch the speed build. Here we go. Here comes the half mile now. Race from 50 miles an hour in second gear. So here we go. This is a race to the half mile. The starter is going to start us. 2, 1. Blimey. It's wheeling. That's crazy. The panic guard is going now. I can't see anything. This is so close. I don't know what happened. We're going to do a rolling race from around 40 miles an hour in second gear. When the starter starts us, we will go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that bloody Lambo, it's just gone. Now this thing is insanely quick, but I'm going to pass it now. He's had a problem again. Okay.